What's up? Making some bacon wrapped chicken and pan seared potatoes and asparagus. I think that's pan seared. So I got the I think I got chicken thighs. I'm trying to remember. I had to find all these clips again. It was hard to get off my phone. So I did. It looked like I did some minced onion, salt, pepper. Dang, I don't remember what that first thing was. Oh, looks like paprika. Oh, and then that's like an allspice thing. Trying to remember what I was doing. And now I'm whipping it in that little blue bowl. It was 5:33. I still didn't make dinner yet. I'm just kidding. That's crazy. Some people dinner gets done at like 7. What time is y'all's dinners at? Guess it all depends when you get off and stuff. Sometimes you say F it and you'll get a burger or something. That's my case most of the time. I always get off pretty late. And I got some Philadelphia God dang. Some Philadelphia cream cheese. Break them open. I don't know why they don't have the bigger ones. They just have these little tiny ones all the time, which I can't open. Then that disappeared. Gotta believe, like that little floor mat I have on the floor. I don't know if I cut the chicken. No, I think it came like that, so I just... The chicken thighs are like weird pieces. I think they're already spread open for some reason. Oh, you know what I did? I grabbed the bone out, so it made the chicken all spread out. So yeah, you basically just plop the cream cheese in there and just wrap it in bacon. That's just I just did a quick version. I usually put cheese, like some cheddar cheese, and mix it in the cream cheese. But I just put cream cheese this time. Sometimes we don't got all the time in the world to be doing that extra. Or you know what? I think I forgot to buy that. I think that's what the case was. I think I made this video, or I recorded this a long time ago. All the clips are corrupted, and I was able to get it back somehow. I haven't made a cooking video in a minute, actually. But here I go. Hopefully my voice is recording. I hope I sound good. Oh yeah, I put a little paprika to get a little color in it. You gotta go up and down, up and down, up and down. Doesn't come out. You notice that? They don't just come out. You gotta go up and down. Oh, I guess that's what they call it. Shake it like a soul shaker. And I put some parsley on it. So just stop being lazy and just get parsley and cut it and put it on there. Probably look cooler. Cause the dry parsley would be looking all tiny. Like, what's that little green stuff on it? Oh yeah, and that puts little sprigs of rosemary. I don't know. Chicken and rosemary always goes good. You have to get the aromatics in there. Is that what you call it? Aromatics? Aromatics. Whoa. I think I had my camera on top of the big coffee Keurig box, the big 36 pack. That's what it's on top of, I think. Oh yeah, and then you cut I always cut the little tips off the bottom of the asparagus. You don't want those hard pieces. Do some rosemary. Look like I threw some butter in there. Dang, I'm a cool guy. Look at me sagging my pants. What the heck? Salt, pepper. Mix it all in there. Oh yeah, and the bottom's olive oil. I usually like to roast. Oh yeah, put some honey in there to get a little colorization and sweetness. Oh, that's like minced garlic I think I'm gonna put minced garlic. Then I put the potatoes. Oh yeah, that's the microwavable one. You just put it in the film and then it cooks already. Then I just I wanted a pan serum. And they give you that little seasoning packet. I usually like roasting the asparagus and the potatoes, but I think well, I guess I had the chicken inside the oven, so I couldn't do that. So I wanted to do two what's it saying? 2 birds with 1 stone. 2 girls with 1 pee-pee. I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Sure got some strangy asparagus. And that's how the chicken came out. Bursting. Those things were bursting in flavor. Remember? Oh. That's how it came out. Bam. Look at that glistening. Look at that steam running off. And there's a picture of the rest. And then you always gotta put a little top tea all over it. I don't know, Louisiana. I think that's what I put on.